Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the lesson components of food. Yes, as there are some of the essential nutrients. About carbohydrates we learned, okay, the next we learned about fats. Now today in this video class we are going to study about the proteins. Yes, what all we learnt in a previous video class about carbohydrates we learnt. Next about fibers we learnt in the previous video class. Yes, there are two types of fats are there. One is a one vegetable fat and one more is a animal fat. Vegetable fat, it is found in a plant such as coconut, mustard and groundnut. And this animal fat, where it is found? Animal fat is found in a milk products, meat and fish. These are found in milk products, meat and fish. Okay, next today in this video class we are going to study about proteins. Protein is also one of the essential nutrient which is required to our body. Proteins are necessary to help the body grow and be strong. What does proteins do in our body? They will help us to grow and to be strong. Yes, we all are strong. Why we all are strong? Because of this protein only we all are strong and we are growing day by day. Yes, are you all growing day by day? Yes. Why? Because of these proteins only. Proteins are necessary. Why these proteins are necessary? To grow and to be strong here. They help repair damages in the body. See dear students, whatever the damages has happened in our body, these proteins help them, they will help, then they will repair that damages here. Okay. Proteins are made of amino acids. Yes, how the proteins are made up of? Proteins are mainly made up of what? They are made up of amino acids. Then what are these amino acids? You all don't know the meaning of amino acids. Nothing but in these amino acids, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. These all elements are present in amino acids here. So amino acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. Okay, mainly the proteins are made up of amino acids. Then what amino acids are made up of? Amino acids are made up of all these elements we call. These are the elements. Okay. So here the question will come. Okay, how the proteins are made up of? Proteins are made up of amino acids. Then amino acids includes what? Amino acids includes carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. We get proteins from food like meat, eggs, fish, pulses, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese here is nothing but for paneer we are calling as a cottage cheese here. And some dry fruits. Then which are the sources of proteins? From which foods we are getting the proteins to our body? Yes, by having the meat. Okay, in a meat also the protein nutrient is present. Yes, egg also, fish also, pulses. Pulses are nothing but some of the grains here. Okay, cottage cheese is paneer and some dry fruits. From these foods we will get proteins to our body. As some of the things we are consuming in our day-to-day life, okay, in that the protein nutrient is present. By consuming these foods we are getting proteins to our body. In the proteins we are having again the two types of proteins are there. First one is a first class protein. Then what is this first class proteins? Proteins from animal products. Then animal products includes what? Can you tell some of the animal products? Animal products are nothing but the milk products. Okay, like cottage cheese. Okay, cottage cheese we are getting from where? We are getting from animals only. So these are the animal products we call. Okay. For even meat also, fish also. First class protein includes what? Cottage cheese, meat and even fish also. These are the animal products because these products we are getting from animals. Meat is also obtained from animal, fish is also obtained from animal only, and this cottage cheese also we are getting it from animals only. So then what are first class proteins? Proteins from animal products are called a first class protein. Okay, the proteins which we are getting from animal products, for them we are calling what? We are calling it as the first class proteins. They contain all the amino acids. Yes, what they contain? First class proteins contain all the amino acids. In a meat, in a fish, and in a cottage cheese, we will get all the amino acids. Yes, as I have told, amino acids includes what? Amino acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. Nothing but these all the elements are present in where? They are present in a amino acids. So in a first class protein, this amino acid is present. In a first class protein, amino acids are present here. First class protein contains what? They contain amino acids here. The second type here is second class proteins. Then what is the definition of a second class proteins? The proteins from a plant products. First class proteins were what were there? They also proteins, but they were obtained from animal products. But here in the second class proteins from a plant products are called a second class proteins, as these do not contain all the amino acids. Okay, as you all know which are the amino acids. Okay, in the second class protein they do not contain all the amino acids here. Okay, what they do not contain here? They do not contain all the amino acids here. Then what are the second class protein, dear students? Proteins from a plant products. Protein from a plant products are called a second class proteins. For example, pulses. Okay, pulses we are getting from a plants only. Correct? So here are some of the food items which are rich in proteins. These are the pulses. These items we are getting from plants here. So these are the secondary proteins we call. The next one, milk. Milk is obtained from an animal. So milk is also rich in what here? It is rich in proteins. And okay, this is a first class protein it is. Eggs. This is also obtained from a animal only. This is an animal product it is. So it is a first class protein. Fish. Fish is also a first class protein because it is obtained from an animal product. Meat. Meat also we are getting from animals. So it is an animal product and it comes in where? It comes in a first class protein. And this milk preparation, whatever the from milk products are there, they will come in a first class protein, and these pulses will come in a second class protein because these pulses are obtained from a plants here. So it will come in a second class protein. Which are the sources of proteins then, dear students? Pulses, the meat, cottage cheese, dry fruits, eggs. These all are sources of what? These all are sources of here proteins here. Proteins form the major components of all the living things. Yes, as we all are living things. Okay, these proteins plays a major component here. Okay. Now here I have given some of the homework. Today in this video class we studied about the proteins. Okay, in detail we studied about a protein. So you remember which are the sources of protein and which are the two types of protein, first class protein and second class proteins, and the definitions. Okay, and why proteins are necessary to our body. Why proteins are necessary to our body? Because proteins help the body to grow and they will help us to be strong here. So they are necessary to our body. These questions will come from the proteins here. So remember these all the points. Okay, dear students, what you have to do? You have to read whatever I taught today from your textbook also. Okay, in your page number 14 about proteins they have given. So read and make a points and remember those. Here some of the difficult words I have given. Okay, this is your today's homework. So whatever I taught today, from that I have chosen these difficult words. If you read and study, it will be good for you. So the first word here is a carbon, strong, amino acids, The next word is hydrogen, oxygen. The next one is a nitrogen, Nitrogen, nitrogen. Next one is a sulfur, Sulphur, sulfur it is. The next word is phosphorus, Phosphorus, phosphorus it is. How you have to pronounce? This is a new word for you. Phosphorus it is. The next word is a pulses, Pulses, pulses. The next word here is a component, Component, component. These are the some of the difficult words of your today's video class. So go through this video and do the homework and practice these difficult words in your rough book 5 times. In the next video class again we'll study this lesson. Till that, dear students, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.